Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it's kind of late, for me anyways, since I go to bed at like 8:30. But I got home. My husband's traveling right now, and I was like, I just want to play in my makeup. So I don't have my contacts on, so I won't be able to be reading anything. It doesn't matter because I can't read shit even with my contacts on. You can see I've obtained a new mirror back here. This was my mother-in-law's mirror and jewelry case. So you open the door, you put some jewelry in, you got it. We're gonna put it upstairs in the closet, changing whatever's area. And then this weekend, while my husband's gone, we're gonna do some amazing stuff around this house. I am super stoked. We're gonna paint. We're gonna redo the bedroom, like painting, new bed, new nightstands, taking furniture out. Like, we're just going for it while he's gone. Otherwise, he tells us everything we're doing wrong, right? You know the deal. So, anyways, that being said, so, yeah. It is, I just got a hot mess here. I got a lot of stuff here, and I called myself cleaning this out the other day, but then the cleaning girls came, and they put stuff away, and I love it. I love that they put stuff away, but I can't find anything. Yeah, but they're amazing. Love them, love them, love them. All right, so I'm gonna get my curling iron out of here. Why I thought I should curl my hair when we were getting ready to have a tropical storm is kind of beyond me at this point, but yeah. As you can see, I'm just throwing shit on the floor. It's trash. All right, so I did not wear any foundation today, and even though I'm pretty broke out, I was okay with it. I was like, shit, I don't care. I put some moisturizer on, and I was kind of like done with it. So I'm kind of going to do the same thing. A little moisturizer, probably some bronzer, and we'll see where we go. We'll see what we get from there. What do you think? If my animals start making a ruckus, it's because that's what they do. And they're not happy that my husband is gone because they know they have to deal with me the whole time. But they'll get over that. Okay. So, this is what we're going to do. I am using, this is the Drunk Elephant whipped cream. I don't have much left in here at all, but I do like the way it feels on my skin. I have like a couple of samples of this. If Sephora's are running samples, like decent, like the deluxe samples, and even when it's $100 point samples, like if they've got Drunk Elephant stuff, I normally get it because my skin doesn't really react to it bad. Not at all. So we'll let that settle in a little bit, and we're gonna go into some palettes. So I did receive this palette from Viseart. So it's all mattes. Not my favorite thing, but we're gonna work with it and just see what comes out of it. Okay? Okay. I know you guys are very supportive of this. I am not gonna put anything on my eyes because I don't feel it's necessary. I'm gonna go into this shade right here and use that as a transition shade. You dummy. That is not the right transition shade, but silly me. I am a fan of the Viseart palettes just because I believe that they're really pigmented and they don't require a lot of work. So, you know, everybody's like, oh, that's high end and it's expensive. It is pricey. I think I bought almost all of mine when they've been on sale at Sephora. Sephora's good about putting them on sale. Yeah. Or I've used Beautylish. as my shopping. Yeah, so pretty much it's worth it. It's worth it. I think for even new people to make up, I know it's expensive, but it's worth it. It's just, it makes it so easy to learn how to use your brushes and things like that. All right, so I'm going into this shade right here, and I'm just gonna kind of pat that down on my eye. I can't see nothing. One downside to their palettes, no mirror, unless you're using the Pro palettes, the big ones, which I am not. You wonderful people at Viseart. So I normally just take my little handheld mirror here and try to do it. I won't. Not like I don't have 50 freaking mirrors around me. Do what you want. I can't see. I can't see, Paul. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Towels, take a nap. That's really what she's trying to do. She's trying to get settled, everything settled the way she wants it. Because I had to go in there and clean up a bunch of mess. Well, she had tore up a toy today. That was her activity. She said, oh, she's not here. I'm just going to tear up this toy. The hell? She'll clean it up and give me a new one. I didn't tell my husband, but when he just let me know he arrived safely at his destination, that Talia bit through the skin, thinking I was her toy, like she often does. I think it's just because it tastes good. All right, so I'm gonna go into chocolate right here. Chocolate. Chocolate. Can't see it good enough to tell if it looks decent. Are you looking good there? Are you looking good? Let's get out our Barbie mirror and tell. I feel like the Barbie mirror is like the spy mirror. And tell if it's working. Oh, it's working. I'm just dragging it the wrong direction. Barbie, you're my hero. Not really, but sounds good, doesn't it? Might have to do a little bit of foundation. But I like where this is going. I love it. I love it. All right, see that? I just made a mistake. Not purposely, it was the brush. I kind of went deeper into my corner than I wanted. Or my inner corner, should I say. Damn it. This is one good thing about, like, not having foundation on. Like, when I do my eye makeup, you can see right here. It's bad. It's bad. That I can fix it, totally fix it, in a much different way, because I can just wipe it out and then just kind of build it. If I go too dark down in here, it looks like I've got this shadow. I just don't like the way it looks, so. All right. think I want to use a smaller blending brush. Not that one. And I'm going to go into this yellow shade here. It's kind of like a, it's kind of yellow. And I'm going to put that like, it's like my orange is going away. The orange, my orange. I don't know why my husband's got to bother me today. Like, you just left here, dude. I saw you before you left. That's mean. That's mean, Susan. He just cares. More than I can say for other people. See, I can't get this eye and this eye. I'm going to have to put some more brown in here. It's hard to go back if you've kind of put too much in. It's hard. Okay. This time I think we got it. Now let's just do up our face, which is the way I want it. I'm going to put a little bit of our brow stuff on from e.l.f. And I'll decide if I want to color in my brows anymore. I can't wait to get them microbladed. And when you're waiting to get microbladed, the recommendation is don't do your brows. Don't pluck them. Don't wax them. Don't do nothing. Anyways. Okay. So we'll do that a little bit. And what I did this morning is I put on some bronzer and loved the way it looked. Loved it. Still using this Too Faced bronzer and it's almost getting eaten up. Used up. Eaten up. So I felt like if I could darken up a little bit. Like I don't have, my skin will settle down. The pink will go away. As long as I don't rub it. I have a horrible habit of rubbing my face. Like it's what I do, especially when I'm stressed out or pissed off. Which today, I was pissed off today. Sick and tired of people that weren't even born yet when I started working telling me how to do shit. I feel like, honey, just sit your ass down while I get this done. Watch from the master, okay? You got all these bright ideas, I'll listen to them, but let me show you how I do it first. Little fuckheads. I mean, people. You know, they all think you're stupid. I ain't stupid, I can tell you that. Just because I don't tell you all my trade secrets don't mean I'm stupid. I know what I'm doing. And if I must say so, it worked out for me pretty good. I started half days in high school as a GS1. I'm a friggin' GS15 now. So I basically started out like I was in basic as a new soldier to the equivalent of a full bird colonel. So don't mess with me. Take your ass and sit down. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stop telling them shit. You got two options here. You can carry your ass on somewhere else and bug somebody else, or you can sit back and shut up and let me show you how I do it. Now, when we're finished, you can give me some feedback. I'm all interested in feedback because let me tell you, these kids, I love them to death. They can do shit with computers I don't even know how to do. I didn't even know a computer did that. They can do it. But sit back. Sit back. Oh my goodness, are we out of? No more eyeliner there. So anyways, it was a day like that. If I can make it through today. And then, because Matt's gone, I have to take care of puppies. So I'm going to go in late tomorrow. If I go in. Let them brats handle their business. Because they think they can. Just... I've been around long enough to know what right looks like. God damn, I had my ass chewed by more generals than I can count. But they never held anything I did against me because they knew I was trying to do the right thing. I got one of them working for me. No kidding, this kid. I ain't kidding, I'm not kidding. He'll text me and try and get me to find out when the CG is playing golf because he wants to play golf with him. You better let your fingers do the walking, kid. Telling me what the hell to do. I mean, they lost their mind. Bad enough that you act like I'm your mama. I ain't your mama either. Shit. Oh, bratty ass kids. And then when you do something, they treat you like that you were obligated to do that for them. Some of the things they asked me to do, I would have been, I tell you what, I'd have been embarrassed as all hell to ask the people I work for. Like the man that trained me, and I would do anything in the world for that man. Never once did I tell him no when he asked for something. Nor did I ever ask him to do something for me until I had exhausted all means to get it done myself. I don't understand it. What's wrong with these kids? Oh, mommies and daddies out there have cuddled them. Well, guys and gals, this is my little look. I know I'm glowing like a friggin' light bulb. I know it. But it'll wear off. Or it won't. And I don't care. Okay, ladies. This is my look to go to bed. Because that's where my ass is headed next. I love you guys so, so much. And I'll see you next time. Mwah.